At Orbbo, ingredient quality is built for global performance. We specialize in export-grade plant-based powders engineered to meet the expectations of international B2B markets. Our ube, purple yam powder, is produced through a carefully controlled, hygienic processing system that protects its signature purple color, nutritional profile, and functional reliability across food, nutraceutical, and beverage applications. The process begins with carefully sourced, fully matured ube roots from trusted cultivation partners. Only premium yams with deep natural pigmentation and uniform structure are approved for processing. Upon arrival, the roots undergo detailed sorting to remove any damaged or non-conforming material. Approved roots are then cleaned through multi-stage washing systems, eliminating soil, debris, and surface contaminants to ensure a clean and consistent raw input. After washing, the ube is gently peeled and precisely sliced. Uniform slicing plays a critical role in maintaining color stability, minimizing nutrient loss, and ensuring even moisture removal during drying. Drying is carried out under carefully regulated temperature and airflow conditions. This controlled dehydration process is designed to protect the natural attributes that define high-quality ube powder, including natural purple anthocyanin pigments, carbohydrate and fiber content, flavor and aroma characteristics. Once dried to specification, the slices are milled using food-grade grinding systems to produce a fine, consistent powder suitable for diverse formulations. Precision sieving follows, ensuring uniform particle size, color consistency, controlled moisture levels, and overall purity. To meet global safety standards, the powder undergoes sterilization to eliminate microbial contaminants while preserving nutritional integrity. Every batch is comprehensively tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, and nutritional parameters as part of Orbbo's stringent quality assurance program. The finished ube powder is packed under controlled conditions, stored with care, and distributed globally. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurtured through sustainable practices, uncompromising food safety, consistent quality assurance, and zero pesticide use, all with a touch of care and dedication. We are Orbbo.